Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making easy Japanese matcha truffles, silky vegan chocolate with just 4 ingredients. Before we start, let's take a moment to explore the idea of wa modern. Wa modern is a style that blends wa, traditional Japanese aesthetics, with the sensibilities of modern life. In this recipe, we apply that wa modern idea to a sweet. Made with matcha, a traditional Japanese ingredient, these truffles are crafted in the simplest way possible. Through each bite, you can experience the calm, quiet simplicity of Japanese aesthetics, reimagined for everyday life. Alright, let's start cooking. Start by adding the cashew butter to a bowl, then pour in the maple syrup warmed in the microwave for about 40 seconds. Mix until smooth. Mixing thoroughly helps prevent lumps. Add the sifted matcha and mix until evenly combined. Add the coconut oil melted over a water bath and mix until smooth. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Scoop out bite-sized portions using a spoon. Roll into balls by hand. If the room is warm, the mixture may soften as you work. Work quickly or return it to the refrigerator if needed. Coat with matcha for finishing.
Itadakimasu!
See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.